how to buy CGX token. Now before we start, this is not financial advice. I'm not professional or economic expert. So before investing in any project that you find on my channel, please do your own research. And also there is a referral code down in description. You can get free money to some crypto with the best referral code. Simply use codes below, fund your account, enjoy the benefits. Check them out in the description. So before you go on buy this token, make sure to check the REFERRAL account and keep following the updates about this token. So as you can see, if you check this post, you will know about this token. So as you can see, this token created under the community gaming. So as you can see, they said that introducing CGX, a token representing governance and utility functions with the CG ecosystem, the most advanced competitive gaming platform. With CGX, we have unlocking new opportunities for gamers, fans, and tournament and organizers alike. So check the REFERRAL account as you can see. So this token is available on MEXC. To be able to buy this token, it's easy and simple. Just copy the token address from here. As you can see, this token address is under the Ethereum network. Open your wallet. For that, I will use the Bitcoin wallet. I will just log into my wallet first. So after that, what you need to do, select the Ethereum as a network from here, click on this plus icon and paste the token address. So as you can see, after that, click on this plus icon to add this token to your wallet. Now go back to your wallet and find your token that you just added called CGX. So after you find it, what you need to do, just click on it and here click on swap and switch from here. From the top, select the token that you want to buy with, for example, USDT, and make sure that you have enough USDT in your wallet. Now here type on what you want to buy. So here you will be able to see how much you receive that token. As you can see, no corresponding liquidity pool. Please select a different. So it seems that you can't be able to buy this token on your wallet. So what you need to do, you can select one of these, the MEXC or Gate.io or WEEX. So if you don't have an account, one of these, go down in the description. You will be able to find the referral link. Go and create an account on one of these exchange platforms and fund your account with some USDT. So for example, if you create an account on MEXC, go here and click on markets and you will be able to find your exchange platform and click on this pair. So after that, what you need to do, wait a few seconds to be able to land to this page. So after that, what you need to do, click on this buy option and click on the limit. Now here type how much you want to buy. As you can see here, we'll be able to see how much you will be paid over the USDT on your accounts and click here on buy CGX. Now if you select the markets, you can drag this to see how much percentage that you want to use of that USDT on your account and you're able to use it to buy this token. After that, click on here on buy CGX. So this is how to buy CGX token. If you found this very helpful, please like and subscribe. See you next week.